Okay, moving on to step 12. We're going to take the piece from page 8, so LELF, RE and RF. So just track down page 12, and you'll see these kind of long, thin pieces that, again, take care to pop them out. And we're going to basically glue the two long pieces to the two short pieces. The idea being is that the green side should face out, so you should glue the white sides together. So just carefully pop all of those out of the base. Okay, now what we're going to do is take our super glue, as I said, stick the white sides together. Okay, so make sure you've got the two L parts and the two R parts, so you don't stick the wrong parts together. It should be pretty clear which one belongs to which, because they wouldn't overlap if they're the wrong side. Okay, so green side's out, white side's in, and those two are together. Okay, and then same on the other side. Okay, stick those down. They should glue pretty quickly. Okay, then we're just going to put those to one side for a few seconds while we finish the rest of the model. We'll come back to those later. Okay, now we're doing step 13. There's a fair few pieces here, so we need the large part from page 4. Actually, the last part from page 6, sorry. So page 6 is the large piece you want to get from there. There we go. Got a bit confused there for a second. So unpop that from the die cut. Again, remove any excess screw holes and paper. So there's the window that needs to come out. There's the hole for the screws. So just take those away. Small screw. Let's get rid of that. Okay, we're just going to use the edge of the desk again just to get the bend for the top nice and tight, because this piece is going to kind of fold over and join with the other side. So you want to make sure this is nice and flat, so you get a nice kind of flat top of your blaster to kind of look down in order to aim well. Okay, so we've got those folds in. Now we can stick this to the side of your blaster. Okay. So you can line up the shell ejection hole and the screw hole, and just excuse me, stick that down to your blaster. Pretty simple. Edit this, edit this, edit this. Okay, we're just going to stick this down. A little bit of super glue. It's on, but we're going to, as I said before, just leave that that bottom piece for a little while. We'll stick that on later. Yeah, so we're going to leave these side bits until a bit later. I'm going to add those, not right now, but once we finish the magazine. It makes it easier to line up, that's all. Okay, so I'm going to flip the blaster over and now do step 14. Okay, so very similar to the other side. We're going to get the large piece from page 6, sorry, page 5, and just fold the top over so that that can be joined up. Okay. And just take your base and line up the screw holes. And just use one of your screws to keep that in place once you've glued it. So it's a fairly big piece, so you can add a decent amount of glue to that. pop the screw in, use that to line everything up. So it screws in, everything's lined up. Hold it down for a few seconds to glue and just put that screw in. Okay. So once that large side piece is glued down, you want to basically join the two side pieces together. So there's a long strip along the top. Just put some super glue down that glue line. Okay, stick that inside. Just hold that down, and those two sides should then stick together and form the kind of the nose of your blaster. There we go. And then the same on this side. We're not going to glue the front detail on just yet. We're going to leave that for, like I say, until we've done the magazine, and then it's easier to line up. Okay, the only other piece that's then got to go on at this stage is just the piece called CB. So you just pop that out, and then that folds around just in front of the charging handle, and then you can just glue that in place. And that's basically the last stage for stage 14.